Hey guys, it's Alicia. I'm going to show you how I created a video using free videos that I downloaded from Pexels and a quote that I made. I posted on LinkedIn and just copied it and put it in, and it'll show up on these videos as a sticker. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Instagram. And right now I'm scrolling through Instagram trying to find a sound that I like. So
show me a beautiful view.
So I'm not going to use that.
Do you try to go to
her voice? All right, so now I like this, right? I'm like, yeah, this is an audio that would work perfectly with what I'm trying to do. So let me just draw this for you. So look at the very bottom of this video, and this is where the audio is, right? So that's what I'm going to click on. But if you look on this video, specifically at this arrow, do you see that arrow that's pointing this way? This means that the audio is trending. So if I use this audio, I will have, great results with the trending audio is what I'm looking for. One thing to also notice on this video is it says use template here. And if I really wanted to make my life easy, I could click on this use template, and now it would just give me places to pop in my video, and it would make my life really easy. But I'm not going to use that because I only have 2 videos to put in. But what I am going to do is use that trending audio. So I go ahead and I click on that trending audio at the bottom, and it pulls me up to this page where I can see that there's been 5,000 reels made with this audio. So far, I can save it. So at the top, it'll say save. You can see that I already did that. I pressed saved. And then at the very bottom of the page, it says use audio. Do you see that right there? It says use audio. So I'm going to click on that use audio, and now it's going to allow me to use this audio for my own reel. So I'm clicking on use audio. All right. And now what I'm doing is I am going into my photos and videos on my computer, and I'm picking the first video. And I downloaded this video from Pexels. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm just playing the video. What I've done is I've uploaded that to my reel that I want to create. And now I'm going to go to the bottom of this reel and click on add clip. Do you see that button that says add clip? Because I have 2 video clips that I want to use. So I'm going to click on add clip, and I'm going to bring in the other clip. So now that I clicked on add clip, I can go pick the second video. This is the one that I want to add. I click on next, and then now I can see that both of the videos are mashed together. So what I did was I got out of Instagram, and now I went over to my photos. So I have a image that I would like to put on the top of these videos. So to put an image on the top of the videos, after you have imported the 2 videos and you clicked next, or if you want 5 videos and you click next, then you go to photos and you find the photo that you want. And then now what I'm going to do, and keep in mind, I'm using an iPhone. So if you're not using an iPhone, it might look different, but you can just follow the same instructions. I'm going to the bottom where it has that box with the up arrow, and I am going to click on that box right there. And then what happens is that pulls up this right where it says copy photo. So let me see. Do you guys see copy photo right there? So right where it says copy photo, click on copy photo. And, again, my goal is to turn this image into a sticker that I can put on the top of my videos, right? So now I'm going to go back to Instagram, and it will automatically come back with my photos. That's where I was. With my videos. So now what happens is I see this little thing pop up that says add sticker. Now I know that I did it right. So I'm going to click on add sticker. Do you see at the bottom where it says add sticker right here? And then it says add sticker right there. So it's basically turned my image into a sticker, which I'm really excited about. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add sticker, which now puts it on the page. And all I'm doing is adjusting it. I'm just adjusting it to where I want it to be. It'll have these 2 lines on the side, so you can pay attention to those 2 lines. You want it inside. This one, I should have pulled it up more because my picture and my name is going to cover it. You have to be really careful about the bottom, but this is just an example to show you. All right. So pulling that up. So now I'm just letting it play, and you can see the video with my, information on the top. Now, this video is really short, so for them to read everything, they might have to let the video play more than once, which is great for me because it just helps with my views and engagement on the video. Right? So 4 keys to make an extra $1,000 this month, side hustle, current skills, and it'll play again and they'll read it. And then all I have to do now is write the caption and then click on share. And this video is on my Instagram, just that. So what we have done in this video is we've taken 2 videos. I downloaded them from Pexels, but these could be 2 videos that you recorded or whatever. So we are going to take the 2 videos and we're going to take an image from our photos and pull it in as a sticker, put it on the top. And, you saw in the beginning, we found some trending audio to play. We just mesh it all together and we've got a video that quickly. Doesn't take long to do. And it's just a really quick way to create a reel. Hope you enjoyed it.